Hey guys, welcome. This is Mystery Lover King doing the Friday challenge on that Comic Clip Geek does every Friday. This Friday it's cat costumes. So technically, these first few, I have like 12, I think. This is, I guess, Tigra, the werewolf woman. She used to be Hellcat, if I understand correctly. She became a mutant right here. The original Hellcat, brother. No, not Hellcat. What was it called? The cat. Yeah, the cat. I couldn't find that one somewhere in one of these boxes. So it's technically a costume, technically not, I guess. The next one is first appearance of Puma and Amazing Spider-Man number 256. So I guess he's technically a mutant too, I guess. It's pretty cool. There we go. So, I don't know. This one is alternate paths. Uh, Tarot, Witch of the Black Rose, number 124, aka Boo Cat number 1, cosplay cover. I don't know if that's going to show you there now. Let's just do this. There we go. I don't think it really shows anything right there. But just in case. Let me do better. There we go. It's also signed by, what's his name? Jim Passett, I guess. Anyway, technically that's, I guess, a Meet 2. That's actually a cosplay cover. Alright, so this is Jungle Action featuring the Black Panther number 23. I'm doing this, I like this up better. Alright. These are just random in order because I got tons of cat-like characters, especially Black Cat and Catwoman. This is Fantastic Four 52, first appearance of Black Panther. All right. Next is Hellcat. This is Iron Man and Hellcat Annual number 1. It's a variant edition. Covers done by Art Germ. All right. Next is Catwoman 41. It says, cover, it says, Onyx is back and out for blood. That's pretty cool. All right. Next is Black Cat number 1. This is a Scott Campbell variant, Virgin variant. All right. Next is Amazing Spider-Man number 194, newsstand. The first appearance of Black Cat, Felicia Hardy. This is cream off-white pages 4.5. I got this at a comic book convention about 3 years ago. So I paid like, only thing I ain't paid $100 for that book. So I went ahead and slabbed it because CBCS was there. It's pretty cool. All right. I'm going to save this one for last because it's one of my favorite books. All right, next is Batman 24 from 2017. Batman uh, proposes to Catwoman. And it's a David Finch cover. That's 9.6 white pages. All right. Next is Catwoman 13 from 2019. It's a variant cover. It's the 9.8 white pages. It's done by Art Germ. I bought this off Hip Comics. They shipped this in an envelope, and it got cracked right here. So it's all busted up. I'll have to send it back in and get regraded. Probably just leave it alone though, because I really don't care unless I sell it. And it's one of a cool Art Germ cover though. All right. Number one is my favorite Art Germ cover. It's a 9.8 white pages Black Cat number one from 2019. I think it's the same one. I think it's the same year this was. I think. I'm not sure. Anyway, signed by Art Germ. Um, it's got really bad Newton rings in front of it. That's really cool though. And that's it. If you guys liked it, like, subscribe, click what you want, click what you like, and don't get trapped in FOMO. Just enjoy the hobby. Thanks. Bye.